How to fix emoji missing after updating iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open settings and tap on general and then on keyboard. Here tap on the keyboards option on top and then tap on the choose add a new keyboard option and tap on the search bar and search for emoji. And once added, the emoji button should appear on your keyboard, as sometimes the update removes the emoji keyboard from your keyboard list. Now you can simply go ahead and open any app with keyboard in it, such as messages or notes, and then tap on the emoji icon you see there, and your emoji should now appear. Next, you can simply go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can fix small glitches caused by the update. Or you can also try to reset your keyboard dictionary, so go ahead and open settings, and if the emoji still does not appear, then tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Further, tap on reset and then tap on reset keyboard dictionary option you see there. You will then need to re-enter saved typing suggestions afterwards. In general, again, tap on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update it, as sometimes emoji bugs are fixed in small follow-up updates. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix emoji missing after updating iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.